We'll guide you through how to fix your AirPods connected but no sound is being outputted through them. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So firstly, what you want to do is just go and put them back in the case. So put them back in like so. After you put them back in, just go and close the lid like so and just wait sort of 2 to 3 seconds. And then what you want to do is go and get your phone, which you want to use them on, and you want to make sure it's unlocked on the home screen and then open them up like this. When you go and open them up, you should then go and get this pop-up here. If you don't get the pop-up, this either means that they've got no battery, and you'll also know they've got no battery because this light here won't be flashing, it'll just be turned off like that, or it means the AirPods aren't connected to your device. So what I recommend you do is try charging them sort of 5 to 10 minutes and then opening them up and seeing if you can get them to connect. Or alternatively, you may just need to go and connect them to your iPhone. So to go and do that, you would just open them up and you should then go and get a pop-up saying connect, and you can then go and connect them. However, when you open them up, if you do see this, then this does mean they're definitely connected. And what I recommend you do is definitely make sure your volume is turned up like that. And secondly, try playing different sounds on your iPhone from different places. For example, try using the music app, Safari, the YouTube app, Spotify app, just to make sure that it isn't a certain bit of sound which isn't working, making you think your whole AirPods aren't working. If after trying multiple different sounds on your iPhone it still isn't working, then what I recommend we do is we go and reset the AirPods, and this will do a factory reset of them. So make sure they're open like this, and then come onto the back and hold this button here until you go and see this white flashing light turn red orange. It's around 15 seconds, sort of 10 to 15 seconds. So keep holding it, and then you'll go and see the light do this, so that red orange color, and then you can close them and reopen them, and it should then go and say connect on your iPhone. So that is how you can go and reset them. As I said earlier, press on connect and then just go through the quick setup process again. After connected them, then go and see if you can get some sound to be playing out of them. If you still can't, then it may be a problem with your iPhone itself. So what I recommend you do is you do a restart of it. So what you can do is just press the increase volume button, the decrease, and hold the power button. That needs to be done quite consecutively, and then just keep holding the power button until you see the Apple logo appear on your screen. And just while we wait for this to happen, what you could also try doing as well is using your AirPods on a different device, just in case it is your phone who has the problem. It's quite unlikely that is the problem, but yeah, try using the AirPods on a different device. So after your iPhone is restarted, then you can try the AirPods with them again and go and see if some sound is being outputted. And finally, what I'd recommend you do is let me unlock my iPhone. Just make sure your iPhone has got the latest update. So to do that, you just go into settings and then go into general like this, and then software update, because if you're using outdated software, that could be a reason for why things aren't working quite right. So as you can see, I've got an update available, which I should go and do. But I do hope one of the methods in this video did work for you. If they did, please consider leaving a like.